woman. Me did tell you say me have no evidence. When me a whole argument about blood evidence, am me fun? Where the blood me for stay and get evidence from? But evidence, when me say that, you too fucking lie, man. I come talk about me, say me not no evidence with nothing, me never did it. Me no fuck Safi, man. Me no fuck man when him cocky dead, and we have to pinch him nipple for him cock stand up. No mix me dirty woman. Me and I the same type. One used to fuck stiff hood man with him hard. Me no fuck your type of man them, Annie. So nobody come mix me up in a blood clot body judgment. Cause your man are the only man me see for blood clot pinch nipple for cock stand up. Me never see that yet. Me think by the look of one girl a man supposed to stand up. By the looks of you, you're sexy, your shape, you're appealing. Me know a cock stand up, not by pinching nipples. With the blood clot you tell me never call your name. The girl over here talk, and I say what she have from what she not have. And me sit down here and me not even said nothing. You know from when me put up my green screen, I don't say nothing at all. Because me know some salt. And my name easy for call, me not say no. But since you want to get me involved, I will stay involved. I don't say nothing, me shut my mouth. Because me know say me salt and my name easy for blood clot call and me not say no. When the girl over here bust it, me sit down and laugh. And first the people them hear me so quiet, cause me not say no. But you must hear say I have secret for me. I lie you tell. I have secret for your house. No doors. No windows, no door. You know from when me see on the blood clot blue. You know from when you have on the blood clot blue. What you call that? The piece of sheet for your bed and the piece of curtain surround the blood clot zinc in there supposed to hot. You know from when me see with them there and I know me can't see them change. Me want a different color. Me not trouble you, lady. Me over here say me quiet. Me not trouble you. You see me the trouble you now? And you come for me? Me woulda laugh about it, but me not trouble you. Me not blood clot trouble you. The girl over here bust up everything and me put up my green screen because me don't want to no mix me. You're the only big woman me see a suck poverty out of cocky. Me never see that yet. 2025, which boy could have put me on one pan of jeans pants. 20 to 25 big bumbo clad pants. And tell me say, scrub them the baby. Me love you. You crazy? Which boy? Him not born yet and him mama dead. Even the poorest set a girl in my Jamaica have washing machine. And have dryer. You come here about my man. What man? You have a man, Annie? What man? Where you stay and get man from? Is that a man? Which boy could have put me up on a clothes and catch water, blood clot, give me for putting up egg, and he go suck your mama. Buy bakla water, buy pana water. You crazy? After no country, my blood clot live. life are so good. Me say if you was my mother, me poison you and me glad. Hey, me glad the day the mother where me have. Me glad. Me glad the day the mother where them give to me. Because, Annie, if you was my mother, I furn you up and sweet you and I poison your blood clot food. And your food me that put the poison in a man. And get rid of your man. Me see my mother pan live are so good. Suppose you hear upon the cock. Last night, go suck your mama. You're the only girl me see a suck poverty. Big grandmother like you pan live are so good. In a dark. Not even little light. Dark. 2025 year run down blood clot hard life. Every girl a run from poverty and hard life. Every girl alone know one rich man or a man for can out. Them not for skin out them pussy but them can out the boy and take him things. Me say me want care go and care wash and skin out and wash it out and turn it pan the dish drain and say, Annie, rest for a little bit. This one, rest. You rev out your pussy too much. You look up at a crankshaft. Rest.